Hello, I am Deepak and I'm going to sing a beautiful song from 1978 movie Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Satyam means truth, Shivam means Lord, Lord Shiva, Sundaram means beautiful. So this movie was produced, directed, edited by Raj Kapoor, and the main characters in the movie was Rajiv, his brother, youngest brother Shashi Kapoor, and Rupa, that is Zinat Aman. So Rajiv comes to the village to oversee a dam that is being built. Now, as a young Rupa is played by Padmini Kolhapure, and she's the daughter of a priest in the town. Right side of her face gets burnt from accidentally from hot water, and it gets disfigured. Now she grows up and played by Zinat Aman, who is half clothed only, and she walks around rather expressionless and sings God's songs. So Rajiv hears this song and then he falls in love with her. And he, without dating her, meeting her, etc., he wants to marry her. So she reluctantly agrees. They get married. Then Rajiv gets a shock that her right side of face is burnt, disfigured, and he does not like anything ugly. So he tells his wife that you betrayed me, you fooled me into marrying you. So he's very upset with her. So he roams around in the night time in the town and in the jungle area. And she's also very depressed. So she goes into that area and attempts to commit suicide. So Rajiv sees this from a distance and he goes and saves her during the night time. And he thinks that this woman is the real Rupa that he saw and heard first time when he came to the village. So he tells her, come and meet me every night. And she agrees. So in the daytime, he does not keep any relation with his wife. But in the night time, he meets the same woman thinking that she is the real Rupa. So eventually, his wife gets pregnant and he gets upset. How can you get pregnant? I didn't have any relation with you. So he tells her that you are unfaithful. Go back to your town. Her father sees her. He gets a shock of his life as to what has happened to his daughter, and poor guy dies. So now Rajiv is summoned back to go to village because there is a heavy rains and the dam might burst. So when he goes there, he sees the dam and the rising water and all that, and he suddenly realizes there is tubulite clicks in his head that, look, I made a big mistake. That woman that he thought was real Rupa and his wife Rupa, they are same people. He finally agrees with that, and he agrees that he made a big mistake. Now he sees Rupa, his wife, drowning in the water because the water is rising rapidly. So he jumps in and saves her, apologizes to her, and the movie ends. This movie was not a box office hit like Sangam, Bobby, or Prem Rog. They could have hired a better actor like Sanjeev Kumar or Amitabh Bachchan to play the role of the engineer, Rajiv, and a better actress like Shabana Azmi or Jaya Bhaduri or Rekha or Hema Malini or Vidya Sinha. But most of them refused to act in this movie because Raj Kapoor insisted for partial nudity. So the Zinat Aman you see walking around half clothed without any expression on her face because, this role was not for her. So, movie could have been much better if he had, made some changes. But the song is great. This was the last song of Mukesh. Poor guy. I love him. Everybody loves him. Chanchal, Sheetal, निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। सुंदरता की हर प्रतिमा से बढ़कर है तू सुंदर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। कहते हैं जहाँ न रवि पहुँचे, कहते हैं वहाँ पर कवि पहुँचे। कहते हैं जहाँ न रवि पहुँचे, कहते हैं वहाँ पर कवि पहुँचे। तेरे रंग रूप की छाया तक न रवि पहुँचे न कवि पहुँचे। मैं छूने लगूं तू उड़ जाए परियों से तेरे पर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी सर्व सजनी। तेरे रसवंती होठों का मैं गीत कोई बन जाऊंगा। तेरे रसवंती होठों का मैं गीत कोई बन जाऊंगा। सरगम के फूलों से तेरे सपनों की सेज सजाऊंगा। डोली में बैठ के आएगी जब तू साजन के घर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। ऐसा लगता है टूट गए सब तारे, टूट के सिमट गए गोरे गोरे एक चंदा से रंगीन बदन पे लिपट गए। बनकर नत कंगन कर धनिया घुंघरू झुमके झुमर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। चंचल शीतल निर्मल कोमल संगीत की देवी स्वर सजनी। Thank you very much.